Tired of suppliers claiming to be genuine manufacturers for your OEM or ODM projects, only to find out they're just trading companies marking up costs via subcontracting while leaving product quality out of your control? Every round of subcontracting eats into your profit margin and multiplies production risks tenfold. At Shenzhen Newei Industrial Co., Ltd., we open our factory doors for on-site verification anytime. We occupy an independently leased 8,500 scum production plant with 10 self-invested SMT production lines and an in-house team of nearly 1,000 full-time employees. Cut out middleman markups and source straight from the original manufacturer. Full end-to-end direct communication from quotation to delivery eliminates information distortion and outsourced quality hazards. Every PCB board rolling off our production lines is manufactured exclusively for your order. Want to verify our real factory credentials? Drop factory audit in the comments section and we'll send our factory GPS location. Feel free for an unannounced spot visit with no prior appointment required.